Hi there, this is Kundan. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how our Grey Matter software orchestrates within 4 walls of warehouses, and as well as we'll give you a glimpse of how our entire operator interface looks like. In this entire demo screen that you're seeing, on the right hand side of this thing, you'll be seeing how Grey Matter makes those decisions, what kind of parameters it takes into consideration for each and every process that you are seeing. On this side of the screen, you'll be seeing the actual real footage of operation that is happening in the warehouse, as well as the interfaces with which the operator can interact. I'll get started. What you can see on this screen is a truck is being unloaded and items needs to be shipped to a particular area. In this layout, as you can see, there are multiple places an item could go. Now, one of the first things that we need to identify is where this item should go. So why don't we scan the LPN? So I scan the LPN and it tells me it needs to go to GTP area. Then I scan the roll cage bin where I have to put this item, and on that roll cage bin I need to put this item back. What the operator can see is what kind of product they are dealing with and the parameters and attributes of that particular SKU. Now it tells me that I need to put 3 quantities of it. I put the 3 quantities of it and it's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass this information to the next step of the process, which would be put away of this particular item. I press the exit and here the REL bot will be moving this roll cage to the next area. On this side, as you can see, Grey Matter is taking the decision which PPS it should go. And in that, this is considering SKU attributes again, along with velocity, fragmentation, and there are multiple parameters that go into the backend. Now, as soon as the bot moves and PPS has defined, it docks the roll cage over there and the put operator has to start working. In this screen, what you're seeing is it is telling the operator, pick the item from this particular bin and scan it. For my convenience, I have kept it at my place. Now, since I have scanned it, it is telling me where to put this item. All this is being in system directed and Grey Matter is making all those decisions. I'm gonna put this item and confirm the item has been stored and now it is going to the storage area. This time Grey Matter is deciding, depending again on SKU attributes and parameters, where this item should be stored. Now, let's just say I had to order something. As you could see, I have added 3 products in my cart, where it is Heinz Comfort, Philips Shoe Cleaner, etc. Now I'll just do the checkout. Meanwhile, on this screen, as you could see, the different agents are in play. Like you have seen RTP over here, you have seen TTP systems, you also have seen RelayPick system. RelayPick is one of our newest solutions that we have launched recently, which not only allows you to improve the density, but also become cost effective, and at the same time you get the best cost per unit overall. Now you place the order and it do success. Now the pick operation start, and at this stage the pick operator has to again scan the item, which is shown over here, which is in this case this. I scan it and I'm guided that okay, I need to put this item into this bin. I put this item over here and confirm it. So what has happened so far is Grey Matter has so far prepared a roll cage, put the item into the system, and depending on the orders, velocity, current order profiles, pick the items so far. Now, the next step would be to ship this item. But before we ship, we need to pack it. And in order to pack it, there could be decentralized and centralized station. Right now what you're seeing is a centralized station where our RA bot is taking the items to the packing station. Again, my application is lighted where I have to scan a tote to know what I need to pack. Right now, as you could see, that I need to pack these items, so I'll start scanning again. Now, all the 3 items have been packed and ready to go. I confirm and I print the label, paste on the box, and now this goes to the next leg. That would be sorting. After the packing, we move this through RMS Ranger Move Smart Bots to sort it to a different location depending on how business has configured it, right? In this, we check the parcel dimensions, what kind of sort priority is this, what kind of current performance that we are getting out of the system. After considering all this, it goes to a RMS bot, where again this app tells me as an operator that I need to scan the item to know which belt I have to put it on. I scan the first item and it highlights, okay, put it on belt 1. Then after scanning the second item, I get to know I need to put it on belt 2. Now I would do the send, and that's all. The items are now being shipped out and it is ready to be prepared as a pallet and shipped to the customer. So in this entire process or demo that you have seen, what is the 3 key messages that we want to give you as a takeaway? 1, we are hardware agnostic and we work with different partners and our certified Ranger network partners to bring all those hardwares like RALs, Range Assist, RTP. Those are rack to person, essentially, if you could say, or cells to person, as is common in the market, right? These all systems come together combined by a single software called Grey Matter, and these are from different vendors. So that is, it provides the customer a capability to pick and choose which hardware they would want to use. That is in some kind a superpower, because you may like me for my one attribute, but you may not like me for the other. Whereas in this case, you can pick and choose your hardware and make it work within your entire warehouse, and that you get the entire warehouse automated. The second key factor over here is, since you have seen this entire warehouse is right now being orchestrated by Grey Matter, so Grey Matter always has the visibility that where are the bottlenecks, and accordingly it load balances entire operation so that one process does not become a bottleneck. The third key takeaway is you have the capability, or you are moving away essentially from the integration complexity, because you are just integrating with Grey Matter, not with multiple vendors. All the integration complexity is being managed by Grey Matter, and that is how you are saving a ton of money on integration and these kind of things. So I think this entire experience, or essentially Grey Matter, provides you the capability to be flexible, be performant, and be cost effective as a solution. That's all.